Hello to everyone. I want to share with you a short clip about how you loop or repeat automatically a YouTube video. It's easy. So just let's say any video you play on like this of everyone. So when you click just you come this space, the interface, you right click and you click where you can see the loop. So if you click that, then that means it will repeat automatically. So just you do one time, and if you don't want to just you unclick it. That is so short and easy. Let's do it now. So now I did. Let's okay, I play this. I bring to the end. Let's see
11 secrets to memorize.
Let's see if it brings back automatically. So okay, at the end, play. You see when it finish, it will automatically replay. It would repeat itself. You see again it came. Just what you do is that one. Right click and click on loop. That's short and easy. So loop. So it was so easy and short. Bye bye.